Should I look at the camera or should I not look at the
Wait, I'm looking at this camera, the black
You
one.
can look at this camera or look at it.
Yeah, we look at
Okay, okay. Next one. Oh. What should I pack to ask for? I don't know, you should answer this.
Oh, okay. Definitely can't. Wait, hold on. Are candles allowed here?
No. Diffusers are allowed.
Yeah. No, I should buy air fresheners. I don't know why. Like, not that RC4 smells bad, but like, I love a great smelling room.
You're so controversial.
What?
I think RC4 smells amazing.
What? I'm not saying it smells bad.
Okay, now I'm just, okay, what else? Other than some good smelling items and things.
A good mug. I feel like there's a lot of people who drink tea or coffee, and they're definitely a good conversation. What else?
An important thing is to bring something that like reminds you of home. So I have like my soft toy that I brought, but maybe it'll be not like conducive for you guys. I mean, not conducive, appropriate for you guys because like soft toy takes up a lot, I think. But like something that helps you remember home. Yeah, and that's like one thing. And everything is just fine. I feel like we don't give very practical. We're not giving very practical like answers.
Yeah.
Good smelling things and something that reminds you of home. Essentials. Can you feel it?
Oh, a lamp. A lamp. You should get a desk lamp because there is a light, but I'm telling you, your productivity will be increased if you have a desk lamp. I went to IKEA, like $8. I bought it. Great investment.
Bring a lamp, bring a soft toy, and bring a good smelling item. Oh my god, you ruined it.
Oh, what is a usual day at RC4 like?
You should answer this. I'm not here.
Okay, so
Say
basically, I'm an early riser, and so I'll usually get breakfast at around 8, and I'll usually get with a friend or two, and then after that, I'll head to the library to study. I'm a library person. Where do you study?
In my room.
So I either go to classes or I'll go to the library, get some work done before, and then usually there's this open GIA lunch, and I'll meet up with some friends from RC4.
Open Geo lunch, translation.
Open Geo.
Translation, open Geo lunch.
And so I'll come back to U-Town to get lunch there. And then I'll go to classes again until basically dinner. I'll eat dinner around 6. Then usually during that time I'll have like these IGs or interest groups. And so I'll have a couple activities at night. And then maybe I'll come home around 10. If I'm tired, I'll go to sleep. But if I'm not, then I'll get supper with my local Singaporean friends.
We love supper here.
Love supper.
My usual day. I wake up. Okay, so I have a very bad schedule this sem. So I'll wake up at like 7. I'll get a grab and go. I'll take the public transport to RC4 because of the bus system here. Anyways, then I'll reach BTC, Bukit Timah campus, which is my law campus. I'll stay there probably until like night, and then I'll come back and then I'll have dinner. Yeah, so I'm trying to use my meal credits, but yeah, that's usually my normal day. And then how is social life in RC4 like? Evidently, Darren is very sociable. So there's a lot of social life going on. But you can pick and choose like how social you want to be. And especially if you have like a very like flexible degree and you come back to U-Town a lot, like you can show your friends to go for lunch and stuff, and you can have a tight-knit community in RC4. But yeah, it just depends on yourself.
Yeah, I feel like, so I live in a suite, and if I close my doors, I can't hear anything. So that's really nice, like I can sleep and it's very quiet. But then there's these common lounges at each floor. If I go to the common lounge, I know that there's going to be someone there. So either if I wanted to get dinner with someone just to chat or play some mahjong or whatever people are doing. Sometimes Premier League games. I'm a Spurs fan, so yeah. I mean, there's always social life if you like seek it out. Compared to my home university, I'm going to say that there's a big community feel, and I really appreciate how NUS like kind of fostered that through the house system, as well as just kind of organically. We have lunch together, we have dinner together, so.
You. Last 2.
Alright.
It's ending. Oh, okay.
How do we get our food served at RC4?
Dining halls. So we share a dining hall with Kat. So for breakfast and dinner, we have dining hall food. So you have like a variety of food, like Indian, Western, noodles, Malay. So you can choose. For like lunch and supper, if you count supper as a meal, I do. You have to buy it yourself. So you can either go to U-Town. So we have Food Click and Find Food, which is like basically like food courts. And we have like other restaurants around, or you can just go to your own faculty if you have classes, and you can go and get food like that.
Where's your lunch place spot?
I'm at BTC. I'm at NUS Law Campus most of the time for lunch, so I'll get lunch there.
I recently found this mala hot pot
Where?
in U-Town.
Okay. If you're coming to RC4, the one thing you should try and find is the best mala space in NUS. Last one.
What are some perks of RC4?
We're really chill. Honestly, I love RC4 because we're so chill. Okay, so every college has their own identity and they have like own groups of like people and everything. But the one thing I really like about RC4 is that you can choose how you want to live your like RC4 like experience, and no one will like judge you, or no one will kind of like exert their opinion on you. So it's not as like there's not much commitments as halls, but it's also like there's enough activities for you to be like, oh, I'm in RC4 and feel like a sense of college pride. Yeah. So.
I think it's definitely community. Like definitely the house system maybe a lot closer with the people who I'm around. But like I feel like it gave me friends for life. You know, even though I'm an exchange student and I'm only here for five months, I feel like I'm gonna keep in contact with these people, you know, even past my exchange program. Also, I really like how it's close to the bus stop, to the commuter buses. So like the location is actually kind of prime. Also, there's a gym downstairs. So like there's a gym in U-Town, but there's also a gym in our basement. So me and some of my friends, we sometimes go down there. It's mad convenient. What else?
Shout out to the Sheng Siong. There's a 10-minute walk away from RC4. You can't get there in any other college. Okay, yeah. I don't know, it's like endless. It's what you make of it. Yeah. RC4 is pretty good. I'll say it's pretty good. Yeah.
Y'all just spoiled. RC4 is really good. You come back to my university, you see how it is, bro. Quality content, bro. We were just roasting each other.
Can I just say, right, like, I saw another one that said, are people in RC4 boring? I want to answer that question.
Okay. Okay, sure.
Yeah, I want to answer this question.
Okay.
Okay, anyways. This is our Orca, this is our mascot, by the way. Okay.
Tricia, are people in RC4 boring?
No. Look at me. Look at him. Okay, he's an exception. He's an exchange student. But we are not boring. You just have to unleash our personalities. We're just a bit more like reserved, but once you release our personalities, we are pretty lit.
Did you have to like? You have to unlock my personality.
No, yours is just like that. Anyway, we'll end it there. If not, we'll start fighting again. Okay, bye. Do you say bye?
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Go RC4. See you at RC4.
See you at RC4.